Creating a Google form can be really confusing sometimes, especially when it comes to selecting the right question type. But don't worry, this video will clear up that confusion and help you create the perfect form with the correct format. We have lots of options to choose from. When we want to collect info like name, address, and other contact, it's best to use short answer type question. If you're looking for detailed responses, for example, feedback or comments, go for the paragraph question type. Need to offer multiple choices. The multiple choice question type is perfect for single answer questions, like selecting a preferred option. For allowing multiple selections, such as choosing skills or interests, use the checkboxes type. Want respondents to rank options? The dropdown or linear scale question types are your go-to options. And for forms requiring consent or approvals, the signature type is perfect for capturing digital signatures quickly and securely. Take a moment to think about the kind of information you want to collect and match it to the question type that fits your needs. And that's it! Choosing the right question type in your Google form is that easy. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.